adapts so well to what we attempt to do that teachers have the maximum amount of flexibility in programming each day. It can be 5 minutes, it can be 10 minutes, it could be a half hour, and it can be done in the morning, in the afternoon, or the evening. You don't worry about having a resource person, someone live to do the program. It's always available to the teacher when the teacher wants to extend oneself, to incorporate it into the daily lesson, or incorporate it just for good old-fashioned fun.
Love having that option to have shorter breaks or even the longer episodes, because the students love to get up and get moving, and they're also learning at the same time.
Really a great way to bring the students in right after they finish with lunch and recess, because it's so unstructured. So I noticed that the classroom teachers use it right after that to bring some structure back to their afternoon.
The videos have been stuff that my children are generally interested in, and they love nonfiction, they love facts in my class, so hearing stuff that's already what they're doing on their own has been helpful for them.
Because it's web-based, the teachers now, all the teachers who have smart boards in their classrooms can actually access the program right on their smart boards.